There's two ways you can get OpenMx. You can get it from our website or from CRAN. But here's our philosophy, and this is the basics. There's three basic things that we try to do. As much as possible, don't make any hidden choices for you. And there's good parts and bad parts about that, because that means that there's not like this magic happening in the background, so there's not something automatically creating the defaults for you. Instead, we're asking you to make the choices. And that's what we mean by what you script is what we do. What you see in your script is what we're going to do. And you can make really bad, senseless choices in our opinion, but it might work for you. And what we're trying to do is just open it up so that you can make the choices. And what you script is what we do. As much as possible, we try to not prevent you from doing things, because people come up with ideas of things to do with OpenMx that we've never thought of. We try as much as possible to enable flexible and extensible scripting. That is to say, we try to make choices that leave the possibility that you could add things to the scripting language without breaking previous things. This is a hard thing to do. This is one of our hardest tasks. And one of the problems with that, one of the downsides, is since there's so many ways to write the same script, sometimes it's more difficult for people to understand each other's scripts. And that's sort of, we would like to make things as consistent as possible, but without preventing you from doing the things that make sense to you. And then, as much as possible, we're trying to future-proof. So we've made a number of choices that have made the program more complex, because we're trying to think 10 years into the future. Where is SEN going? What can we do to enable new, not just new models, but new ways of making models? So why did we choose open source? Well, I guess to some extent it has to do with a belief about what science should be. And we believe that science, we should be giving away science. Whenever we make an advance, we should give that away for everybody to use. And that really, it has a lot of benefits. And I'm sure you've heard about the benefits of open source, but all we ask and what we expect this of other users, but we don't insist on it. We expect you to follow the scientific model, acknowledge each other's work, and contribute your work to the benefit of all. But our license is written in a way that it doesn't enforce that. You can take our code and make a commercial program out of it, and we won't complain. So we really are we're giving it away for any kind of use.